Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to export image as PDF in Inkscape. So if you want to do it, you need to go to the left upper corner and here you have File. Then you need to go to Export Bookmark and you will see here this window. Like you see, we can't go to Selection because we didn't select our object here. Okay, so now you need to select all objects that you want to export, so I will select it now. And now we can use selection mode here, yeah? Okay, so next step is go to this list. We need to click on this. And here we have Portable Document Format, PDF. We need to choose this one option. Now you should check if the image name has changed for .pdf. If yes, you can click on Export button. And after a moment, PDF file will be successfully exported. You can check it by going to this path. So I will go to File, Open. And here we have our file exported as PDF. Okay, so now we can close this window. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to export file as PDF in Inkscape, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my tutorials.